good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today the 14th of February 2025. For today the for location. Location one day. I come monitor industrial cleaning of a house. We want for a from the talk show. Give Oga clean and make it do 4 years now. Come monitor for today. In front of me, now the Oga industrial cleaner when they do the job. So, Oga, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, good night, everywhere where they watch us from. My name now is Osahero Usifo. I can represent Sucre Pro Clean and Fumigation. Well done.
So, me may come talk to you. So, my name now is Osahero. What are they that the work way one of our viewer give you now come monitor for today for the cleaning of the house we give you. So, you're gonna take me around the work when I don't throw it out, or you see day on it before you take me in the round the work. Okay, clean and wait to go letter of viewer when they patronize the streets of Ashani, particularly do I give this job?
In fact, all our clients will ever give us work. I thank you now well. Even those we call us, we can eventually will not come work together. You don't see me. For calling us alone, we say thank you. And particularly for this our clients who they work for now. Now God will bless you. Thank you. We TBC still call us, give us work now because of now we still do this business. Now well done.
Okay. So our viewer, I beg you now visit our website. The link they on top of this video. Before you give any of our clients work, make us see call our number. Our number they on top of this video. Oga Cleaner, over to you. So I see here the
yes.
You don't hear?
We never touch here at all.
Okay, never touch
here at all.
Okay, guys, you want to show our viewers here before we go show where you don't
exactly.
Okay.
Even this staircase region, we never touch here.
Okay, this staircase, you never see touch here. Hey, go see that side,
yes,
so after you walk on here,
yes.
You go clean. But me, so see as it be like, oh yeah,
in fact, after here now, I want to go show you where BC we don't clean.
Okay. Okay, you carry us and we'll see us.
See as the first B.
Very B.
Yes.
Okay, I now understand. Okay, we'll go there. Okay.
All right. Meanwhile, I would like to first see an example of the window.
Okay, as the window be.
Fair B. So we never touch this one. So even dirty past this one.
Okay, may I see the window?
We won't start. This one are the.
Okay, now the window.
Okay,
so see dirty past this one.
This one we will start. So I will show you now. The one so we don't clean, you see the difference.
Okay, may I see the.
Show my viewers the house where they work on now.
Okay, now this big house like the clean so.
Now we did.
Wow, well, I'm just now let this passage and one fly. I don't say they do big work.
Let me cause they here.
Okay, no, we see the one where you
go where we don't.
When you don't clean.
Where you see the difference so far.
I will see this window when you're different. So you show me one window yesterday. It's rough.
We will start from this veranda now. So on the veranda.
No, okay, before I go to this veranda, yes. I want to see this window. See the one you show me.
Exactly.
Okay. Let me see this one.
All right.
I mean, back camera.
See the difference.
Very different. So before it needs like that, so it be as that one be.
Exactly. Some of them dirty pass so.
Some see dirty pass.
Yeah, then if you come closer, you see where nets for the run up and down. Very neat, no single sound.
Oh yeah, most.
The sound.
Wow. Okay, let's see the ground.
The veranda.
Okay, the veranda.
Yes. All these handrail before we clean them. See, they know if you observe, they don't do stand floor.
Okay,
the cement full all in body.
Yeah, okay.
Wait there now, you can say.
I mean to say they fix the handrail.
No.
Okay, now you make it be like this.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wonderful. More go inside there.
No, the sitting room, this flat.
Come on. We'll come this room. Yeah. May our people see the work when you do.
The sitting room.
The sitting room.
Yes.
Wow. That one dining.
Yeah, that one. Show them the door.
Yeah.
See the door.
If that's a new one.
Not the new one. All neat. Not the new one at all. The sound for cement.
The cement no matter what.
POP, all of them.
Close
the hallway where they call passage.
Okay, what's the finish? Okay, Okay, now the walkway. Oh, you must. Wow.
Hallway.
Okay, no, wait, that is
To my right, one of the room. See the way they shine.
Like which kind of soap do you do all this thing when you're shining? Yes, I know.
Okay.
Oh, I want to shine for stuff.
Go close the window. You see that? You see that machine just now? That is called vacuum cleaner.
Okay, but the swallow of
They suck all the sand, come out.
Okay.
Before we come wash it, or what our equipment.
How you call the machine as well?
Vacuum cleaner.
Wow. I will put this up.
Okay. So on the other room.
Hey, yeah, why you see? Hey. Everywhere.
I will tell you stand for that. They give our viewers, our clients, the value for their money.
You will teach me this one. Come here and see the one.
Family staff said.
It's alright. Wow.
Family staff. Yes.
Why you must
Yes, sir. This one, the master. I would like to see the toilet.
This one, the master.
I wish you would let me show you from my phone the way this toilet first be.
Okay, I'll tell you what.
Oh my God. Sam, from top to bottom. Maybe you don't know how to maybe tell you to say we touch everywhere and very neat. Even this cup where they put brush. You see?
Yes.
Soap tray. You see?
You must be back. Yes, you will do.
Check out.
No. Like good work, they do.
So this is now my kitchen.
Yeah, my
kitchen and the general toilet. Because I want master there. So the toilet with the other two rooms they use, now be this.
But we get who? Yes,
sir.
So you see they teach people how to like teaching of this stuff.
Why not? Of course. Sam, the cabinet.
You see this one.
Yes, I'm open all of them. People don't feel say maybe
you open my nose,
open the rest. Sam.
Cover that one.
I will cover this one now. I will open this one. Sam.
Good way.
Yes, Sam. Sam.
Wow. Let's see. See the machine is there. All neat. My power. You see touch this well?
Of course. Well. Sam, to further prove am. Look, I'm not saying I wear am do, but if the thing dey the wall, we go see am. Sam.
Merci, Dito.
Sam.
I can see the back.
Yeah, of course. Why not? Sam. Kitchen veranda.
I will come and see this back of this one.
If you see here before.
Okay, if I see here before.
Oh my God.
No, the guy, the small way you show me your stomach, I see. Okay. Wonderful. And you never see through with this.
No, some parts they still go on. Get about two more flats for up.
Okay, two more flats for up to when you want to clean.
Yes. One day ongoing now. This one goes through 2 more days up for us to complete.
Okay.
Go down and wait till we don't do so far.
Okay, my people, Oga cleaner, don't take me round way for the work here. And he showed me when something the master. If you see there, if you don't need the way to show me, why you don't smoke? What you don't do? When they come see, now wonderful job they do. Okay, like how many days was it taking when you take around of this one?
Okay, at least tomorrow, Saturday. We start this work day before yesterday. But if it don't happen, say maybe some unforeseen circumstances, it will take us till Monday.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's supposed to finish tomorrow.
Okay, you're supposed to finish tomorrow, but if you see Boxing Day in your phone, see your money. Oh, like how much it cost you, guy?
It cost our client to do this entire flat 480,000.
Oh, that is 480,000.
Yes.
So many people are paying, okay. the work went through here and the work still go on. Say maybe tomorrow or more than we don't queue and sit and say I'm not waiting to know. Okay, you will call your phone number. Oh, if you have to tell she.
Alright, now 24 hours number, not the off. 070-88-49-4917. No, not just that number. I will call them again. We did for both direct call and for WhatsApp.
Okay.
070-88-49-4917. My people,
My people, I can see now, but it's on to watch this video.